Hello guys, welcome to pvapins.com. Today we are verifying in the Azure using pvapins.com. So let's start it. Visit pvapins.com and sign up for a profile by filling out a user-friendly registration form. Top up your balance using your preferred payment option. Select any country from the list. Then search your app. Use the number in your app and wait for the code. Wait few minutes. After few minutes you will get your code. Now you can use it for verifying your app. Thank you for using pvapins.com.